Hi, hello, welcome my channel. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Blouse neck designs, flower petal designs, double color using saree combination, saree orange color, orange red color, green blouse piece. Saree piece petal first step, triangle shape piece foldings, triangle, equal the piece, equal the piece, cutting the extra excess piece. Triangle, next two side folding, same triangle steps, saree piece, top side green piece, cut the edges extra pieces, wastage extra pieces cutting. Don't skip video, please full watch video. Folding the side center folding margin, this shape petals, fifty petals ready. Square v-neck petal shape. Please ready the 50 pieces. Neck design, square v-neck, marking the center, green and orange combination. Please full ready the petals. All petals ready. Blouse center mark, dividing the mark. Attaching the blouse. Using the lace combination, lace attaching, two side stitching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Two side stitching. And center green is adding the beads. Beads adding, looking this very beautiful. How is this neck design? Very simple and easy method. Please comment me how is this design. Please comment, subscribe, please like and share. Thank you all watching. Don't skip video. Please subscribe. Thank you.